Hi viewers, this is Dr. Jana and you are watching video with me on how to create a database on this Fire database, right? So what you need to do, you have to go for the firebase.google.com, type firebase.google.com any of the browser. So this screen it will appear in front of you. Then get started. Once you make it get started, click it here. So it will be opening and you can see, yeah, it's taking some time. It started opening. So these are the existing database project already created. So I want to add a new one. So add a new project. Enter your project name. So my project name I put it faculty. Faculty. Okay, this is faculty. Okay. Then you need to go for this continue. Once you go for this continue, then the Google Analytics it will all the things it will be by default added. Okay. So then you just go for this continue. Right here select an account, and in the select an account you have to go the default account for Firebase, just to select it that one. So once it is over, then you create the project. Fine, click the create project. Once it is created, this click the project. You have to wait for less than 1 minute because it is everything it is creating for you. So once things are ready, I think you can see that it is something it is coming like that. When it is completed up to this, it will be created, and then immediately after that you can, it depends on your internet and also your system. So anyway, it takes less than 30 or 40 seconds, so you can comfortably, yeah, now it is nearly completed. So yeah, now you can see it has completed things. So when it is completed, your new project is ready. Okay, when new project is ready, then you can just click it continue. When you continue, then immediately it appears in front of you. That is the insert firebase.google.com. The faculty it appears in front of you. Can you see it here? Then just after this, you have to select. On Android. Okay, just click this Android here. Once you select, then you have to go for the registration of the app. The registration of the app, what you need to do, you have to give the Android package name. Okay, Android package name. Suppose I want to give it com .drg jana. Okay, and I put it dot faculty. Okay, so with these things, this is the, I can put it the faculty app. Faculty app. Okay, this is the faculty app, I can put it. Okay, so when you have done all the things, just to go for the registration of this app. When you register these things, you can clearly see, yeah, you have already completed the step number 1. Okay, then you are in the step. So before this, you have to download this JSON file. Just click it here and it will be saved on your desktop. See that it starts downloading. Yeah, I hope it is downloading. If not done means, then one more time you can click it here. Now it is already clicked, so it is supposed to download this one. Okay, so yeah, so it is showing the Google service 1. It is on the desktop. It is going to put it here. Okay, save it. Google service 1. Okay, then it is, you can see it here. Okay, then you go for the next. Okay, then in this next, all the things are there. By default you are using Java, there is nothing to worry. Just the next, you click next. Okay, so all the things you have done successfully. So registration is there, download is over, and add Firebase SDK is also there. Next step it is there. Just continue to console. Okay, once you press this continue to console, so you can see it here. Get it now? So now all the things you can see it here. Then what you need to do, just go to the build and go for this authentication. Once you go for this authentication, and in this authentications, you right click it here or click it here. Sorry, just 1 minute. Okay, can you see here this authentication? So it has started, all the things is like this. Just again you get it started here in this authentications. Now your database and everything it will appear in front of you, and you can work with that one. Okay, can you see it here? Then here immediately what you need to do, you have to select this email and password, and you have to enable this one. Okay, then you have to save it. This is the thing you have to do it here. Once you have done it successfully, then I hope the entire thing it is successfully completed. Now this is the thing it is all about. You have to develop in this authentication of this Firebase database. Okay, then immediately what you do, so you already downloaded some JSON file. you have already google.service.1.json file already have done. Okay, so then when you are going for this kodular, okay, just I go to the kodular, the kodular project you are developing, then you need just go to the kodular project. In this kodular project, yeah, just 1 minute, it's opening. Say for example, we created the last project, because of the shortage of time, I was unable to give a demonstration how to do all the things. Just in shortcut I told you, just to patch up that one I am giving this one. Suppose I am going for this firebase login. Okay, so click this firebase login. In this firebase login, when you come on here like this, it is opening. It takes less than a minute also. Yeah, it's already opened. So suppose I go for my firebase. Okay, where is that firebase? You can check it here. Yeah, in the in the firebase authentication, it is there, right? When you go for this firebase authentication and click it here, yeah, click it here. So you are in screen 1, it's fine. Yeah, you are in screen 1, it's fine. Then you are in the firebase authentication. This firebase authentication, then it will ask you three things. Okay, so before that, what you need to do, just to click it here, can you see here, you are having, you understood there, just you are clicking it here, and after that it is showing, click on a file to preview. Now you have to just upload asset. When you go for this upload asset, then it will ask you, where is your file? The file, previous file, the JSON file, you already downloaded and saved it on the desktop. Just you click that one, that file, and then because already have done, I am not going for that one, click it. Okay, so with this, all this connectivity is over. With this, all this connectivity is over. Then what you need to do? Then you have already made the design part, and you have already gone for the coding part using these blocks. And once everything is over, then the next step, what you need to do, you go to the export. In the export Android app, just to click it there and save it on the desktop or something like that. And I am using the BlueStack X instead of this Android no software. I am using BlueStack X. Okay, so there something it will come here, appear like this, firebase login. You get it now? So while you go for this firebase login here, you see here the code. Yeah, it's coming. Just one. So this is there, it is opening. It takes less than 1 minute. So once it is there, you can clearly see it's opening. Yeah, yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Can you see? So in your enter email ID and password, whatever things you can sign up with there. So suppose I put it Rakesh @gmail.com, gmail.com. Okay, so you have gone for that one, and suppose the password I put it here, Rakesh. Okay, fine. Tab 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 and 0. Okay, this is my phone number. Then I go for the sign up. Once you click the sign up, yeah, can you see here? Not taken, I think. So once you go for the sign up, you can see the registration is successful. And with this, suppose I want to log in this thing also, just to press the login button, so it will show you the rakesh@gmail.com. Fine. So this was all about how to create database in the firebase, and how to use, and how to you can see the updation and everything. You can check it there. Suppose you want to see what about the data, you entered it there or not, what you need to do, you go to there here, and yeah, here, then here you have to go for this your firebase. Okay, anyway, firebase we are there already, I think somewhere we closed it, I think maybe. So you go to the firebase. In this firebase, once you go there, and you we already created separated database for these things. It was okay. Get started here. So after this, so we go for code FB was our nothing. It was this one, because even if created that one, we have not gone for that one. So code DB, this was my database name there. So here, once you are here, then you go to the authentication, and yeah, Now you can see the last one I entered rakesh@gmail.com. So 16th November today, you can see the date today, 16th November, by 12:56 I am entering the same thing. 16th November 2020, this is the database, it is updated here. The password you cannot check it here, because it is there already encrypted. So you got it now. So this is the way how we can use the firebase database and how you can develop a app using all these things. Thank you for watching this video. If you do like this video, please do share with your friends, and so don't forget to subscribe these things also. Thank you and take care of health. Have a good day.